When you find out you're pregnant, you are anxious to get to the doctor, you're taking your prenatal vitamins, you are doing all the things, right? Clinically speaking, medically speaking. But what so many women miss out on is that conversation to say, okay, now that we got all of the medical stuff squared away, here is what you need to know. This is the real. This is how it really does feel to give birth and to become a mom, essentially. This is for sure, hands down, what I wish someone would have been able to pull me to the side and let me know. It is also fundamentally what I believe is the reason why my clients have been so successful in transitioning into motherhood, because I am able to really discuss these type of topics or conversations with them to help them prepare emotionally, make mindset shifts, as well as literally prepare the home, prepare your surroundings, your environment to successfully transition into motherhood, to have a prepared postpartum, all of the things.